Hey, what's up everybody, I'm here today. In this video, let's take a quick look at the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, the basic version. I don't know, it's like they've reached like the pinnacle. Even Xiaomi, they don't know what to update. But anyway, I've also ordered another one with the little robot, which you can talk to it and have fun with it. But that will be in another video, so stay tuned for it. And this is just the basic version, 1.72-inch AMOLED equilateral, bezel. That's basically the biggest highlight. Oh yeah, if you are interested in the packaging, okay, it's a white one, Xiaomi HyperOS, and yeah, Xiaomi Smart Band 10, and some other highlights here. I just don't want to read it. It's basically the same as the last generation. But anyway, the band, obviously. Okay, nothing. We have a very detailed Chinese menu because we have Chinese version. I'm not sure when will this go global, but there's the menu and also charging cable. If I'm not mistaken, it's exactly the same as the last generation. Check out. That is the band. Alright, let me just wheel it. You have to pull the thing out, and then you lock it. That's how it looks when I'm wearing it. Now let's just pull the thing on and see what's inside, right? Before that, let me just quickly walk you through the design. So this is the bottom, alright. We have Xiaomi logo here and some sensors, heart rate, sensors and charging contacts. Yes, it's magnetic. And we have the buttons here. If you want to take this strap off, you just press this button and take off easily. Okay, just like that. To put in. Yeah, that's basically the design, very simple. Now to power the thing on, we need to just connect to the power, and that's it. Alright. It lets you choose different languages, English, and then you have to download the app to pair band. Alright, if you own a Xiaomi phone, like mine is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you don't need to do anything, just we have this pop-up window, and you just click this automatically to connect. Okay, connect. Confirm. Alright. Let me just update the firmware and then get back to you really quick, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, we set everything up, and let's just check out. We have the equilateral bezel, and it's 2 millimeters. It's quite thin, right? And it looks way more comfortable than the previous generation, because the previous generation have a big chin, which looks a little bit uncomfortable for those who have OCD tendencies. Alright, now let me just walk you through the gesture controls really quickly. So swipe up, swipe down. We have the notification. Swipe up. We see different apps, stats, workout, activities, running course. We have over 150 workout modes. So yeah, of course you can just choose whatever most you like. Let's just choose outdoor cycling, and you see the GNSS connecting here, outdoor for outdoor running, and it's great. It can record your tracking, All right, and that is the workout activity, running course, training state, heart rate, vitality, SpO2, and some more other information. And we go to settings, we can set everything here. Home screen, widgets, you can also choose the different widgets here. Add or delete widgets. Control center, Xiaomi Smart Hub. Okay, let's just display, brightness auto. Yeah, brightness is one of the biggest highlights, biggest upgrades for this Mi Smart Band 10, and this is how it looks under the direct sunlight, and the sunlight is quite strong. I can still view it with my naked eyes easily. Okay, basically choose water is good, but you can also customize. Okay, this is like the highest. Let's just, you know, to show you the best, I just adjust to the highest. Okay, and raise to wake, screen always on, display. We can turn on the always on display, and swipe. Okay, and there's more here. Stopwatch music, find the phone. Okay, completed. Oh, playing sound. And that's quite convenient. I will get to the phone app a little bit later. Oh, yeah, but yeah, I like it. Find your phone word lock. Silence. And also, you can control the camera. And this is great when you do group photos, right? Oh no, you can even do the countdown. Anyway, let's just get out. Timer, flashlight, focus, compass, and that is the more. So up left, we got different widgets, which I just show you. Can either edit or add whatever widgets you want. Like the one we here is like a sports center for you. You can easily see how many steps, correspond, vice versa. And we have the heart rate, weather, sleep, and some shortcuts here. And that's the gesture controls on the Smart Band 10. It's basically the same as its previous generations. And now let's just get to the app. The first page, health. It's just a recap of your daily activity and the workout, device. Here, app security, fitness and health. For me, definitely I need to turn on the standing, because this is very, very important, because recently I just got my hemorrhoids removed and it's quite painful. And the doctor says to me, just stand every 1 hour, just don't sit for too long, and this is the perfect one to go. You can just choose whatever app notification you want to show on your Smart Band 10, right? And woo! And basically, this app very simple. Basically, not so much to say. All right, that's the quick unboxing in the hands of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. To be honest, there's really not too many upgrades. Okay, only two. I wouldn't even call major. Okay, just small upgrade. The equilateral bezel and also the brightness, and that's it. So my suggestion is, if you own like Mi Band 9, 8 or even 7, I don't think you need to upgrade. Why you need this, right? But if you don't and want to have the newest one with maybe the most comfortable screen display, and the cool features, I think this is the one to go and just get it. You won't regret it. And thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.